Want to delete your Facebook account using Facebook Lite? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone and log into the account you want to delete. Now tap on three-line menu in the top right corner and scroll down and looking for settings and privacy, then settings. Now click on account center. In the account center page, click on personal details. Personal detail page, select account ownership and control. In this page, click on deactivation or deletions. Select your Facebook account that you would like to delete. Now, Facebook will ask, would you like to deactivate or delete your account? Since we are interested to delete our account permanently, so select delete account, tap continue. Now, if you have a Facebook page under the Facebook account, it is also will be deleted. So if you are interested to delete your Facebook page also, so click continue. Now, Facebook will ask you to why would you like to delete your account. Select any reason and then tap on continue. Now, tap on continue. Before deleting your account, Facebook will ask you to download your data. So if you're interested, you can download, otherwise tap on continue. Now, Facebook will ask you to enter your Facebook password to confirm it's yours. Now, tap on delete account. Now your Facebook account is scheduled for deletions. If you change your mind, you can get back your account within 30 days.